Uh, Today I'll show you another job opening that Nykaa has come up with for freshers. So let's go to amigos.app and click on off-campus jobs. So here you will see a list of all the off-campus jobs that are available. So let's click on this one. So Nykaa is hiring freshers for the role of quality assurance engineer. Now this is a testing job which could be automation as well as manual. So let's go ahead and check out the details. So the location is Gurugram, which is Gurgaon, right? And you have to apply as soon as possible. 10th of April is a tentative last day to apply for this, right? So the salary could range from 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs. It could go beyond that also. It depends on what is the standard salary that they are offering to freshers this year, right? This is a full-time opportunity and in the testing domain. Now, the experience is 0 to 1 years. Graduation year 2019, 20 and 21 batches are eligible, right? And BTech or Masters in Computer Science or Master in Tech or MTech in Computer Science are allowed, right? Other branches can also apply if they have some experience in software testing. So these are the details. This is quality assurance engineer, manual testing and automation testing. So this is what they have, right? This could be an automation testing role also. So we'll see and read out the responsibilities that they have mentioned. As a quality assurance engineer, we will be responsible for creating, executing and improving the test plans and implementing test automation. So this is a very good opportunity, right? It's a good company. It's a $1 billion company. Let me tell you that it's a huge company, and we'll show the Wikipedia page of that as well. And the details are you'll be working closely with the engineering team, confirm, verify bugs and determine steps to reproduce, design and implementation of internal automation tools. This is a very good part of the job that you have, right? Creating and implementing test plans, automated test, manual test and integration test. So this is a thorough testing kind of opportunity, right? So try to read out about manual testing and automation testing, right? Some of the tools are Selenium. Even if you are not just targeting software engineering in the testing domain, still you should know about these tools. So reviewing app error logs and metrics, test case management and bug tracking. There are tools like Bugzilla where you have to file bugs if you find something and you have to contact the developer. So all these things are part of the testing that you do. Interaction with the dev, customer support and product teams. So customer support will to contact the customers, right? They will get bugs from them. They will report to you, and then you will basically validate that and talk to the development team, who will then verify and fix the bugs and then get back to you, and then you will have the responsibility to inform the production the support team, right? So this is what we have. So just click on apply now. This is on highrisk.com, and here are the details, the same details that we have seen. Just create an account on Highrisk and apply from here. So this is a very simple process. I hope that you see this opportunity and apply as soon as possible. I hope that you get a reply from them as well. And this was posted on 30th of March, which is just a day ago, right? So this is the speed that we actually work on and try to upload as the content as early as possible, right? So thanks a lot, and if you want to know about Nykaa, just go to Wikipedia page and see. So this is a $1.2 billion startup, and by Falguni Nair, huge brand, very popular brand in the fashion industry for girls. So go ahead and apply as soon as possible. Thanks a lot. Thanks for viewing the video. Also subscribe to the channel and like the video if possible, right? And download the Amigos app, right? I have posted the link below this video because every day we upload these contents there. So make sure that you don't miss these opportunities. So the moment you install the application, it will ask you few details about your college and other details, and then in the job section there, when you go there, you will see the list of all these opportunities. You will also receive notifications every day for every job opening that we post. So that will help you apply for these in time. So thanks a lot. See you in the next video.